Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for a quick CVS haul and a quick update for CVS deals coming up next week. Just a quick reminder, we don't have the spend 30 get $10 back for next week. Instead, we have the spend 25 get $5 back. And the spend 25 does not include all the items we normally get in the spend 30 deal. So if you need them or if you haven't done the deal yet, you have till Saturday to do these deals. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up more deals. The first deal I'm going to pick up in this video will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back, and I'll pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.59 each. These two will total $13.18. We have a $4 CVS coupon in our app that everybody received on Sunday, and I went on coupons.com and I printed out 2 $3 coupons for CoverGirl Eye products. That will take off $10 and drop it down to $3.18, and I'll get $6 back, making them free and $2.82 money maker. Before I check out these products, I'm going to add the Eucerin lotion to this deal. And the 5-ounce Eucerin lotions are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. So I'm going to pick up one. I have a $2 tier pad coupon I'll use and pay just $2.99 and get 3 back, making it free and 1 cent money maker. This transaction worked out very well. As you can see, my 2 coupons came off for the CoverGirl, and the $2 for the Eucerin also applied. The $4 off CoverGirl CRT applied as well. I ended up using $6 extra care box, paid just 17 cents out of pocket, and I got back $6 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl and $3 for the Eucerin lotion. If you don't want to complete the CoverGirl deal, another way you can use the $4 CRT is to pick up the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Balm on clearance for $4.07. Using the $4 CRT, you pay just 7 cents for it. The next deal I picked up is on Colgate mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. I'll pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash, and both will total $9.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98, and I'll get 5 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. This is the receipt for the Colgate deal. The 3 off 2 coupon came off, and I used the $6 extra care box for the CoverGirl, and I paid just 98 cents out of pocket, and I got back $5. The next deal I'm picking up will be on the Palmolive or Ajax dish soap. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up the Palmolive priced at $4.49, and I'll pick up the Ajax dish liquid priced at $3.79. Since this deal is buy 1 get 1 half off, the one that will be half off will be the lower priced one, and that will be the Ajax, and the new price for the Ajax will be $1.90. These two will total $6.39. We only have a $1.25 off coupon for the Palmolive, which will drop it down to $5.14, and I'll get 3 back, making them just $2.14 or $1.07 each. This is the receipt for the Palmolive deal. As you can see, the $1.25 off Palmolive came off, and I rolled the $5 I got from the Colgate deal, paid just 13 cents out of pocket, and I got $3 back. I stopped at Walmart and I found this Coppertone Kids Sunscreen Lotion on clearance for $2.50, and there is a $2 hang tag. I picked up 2 and used the $2 hang tag, paid just $1, making each one just 50 cents. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.